So today we are making a coconut milk cake. It's very simple. For that I've taken 3 eggs, I've added 1 cup sugar and I'm going to beat it really well. I'm going to mix it, then I will add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and I'm going to mix it again. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It's very important to put vanilla essence, vanilla, whatever you have available. Then in 1.5 cup of flour I've added 1 teaspoon baking powder. I will also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and when the dry and wet mixture I'm going to combine it. I'll add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of milk. The batter is ready. I'm going to place it in the baking pan, in a square baking pan. I will keep it for 45 minutes for baking on a 180 centigrade oven. And in 1 cup of milk I'm going to add half cup of condensed milk. This is for the mixture that I'm making for the cake. It's